With the holiday week upon us, it's a very important time to give blood, and Vitalant is making sure we get the supplies of blood we need with their upcoming blood drive. And here to tell us how you can give and have a chance at winning a new car is our friend of the mix, Sue Thu of Vitalant. How are you, Sue?
I'm great. How are you, Brad?
I'm doing good. Now, I'm going to turn into a mean Brad and a very angry Brad, and that is people. We need to give right now. We are very low on our blood supply, and this is the time of year that it's so important to have it because we have people on vacation doing things and getting hurt. So time to give, am I right?
Absolutely. We are in the lowest week of the summer for blood donations. And then you think about all the extra people out on the roads and highways, maybe getting into accidents, which increases the potential for the need for blood. It's so important that people donate blood this week, and that's why we've planned Arizona's largest blood drive.
Yeah, there's a great story that you have a young lady that literally, if it wasn't for blood supply, she wouldn't be back out doing what she loves doing. Am I right?
Oh my gosh, Mary Jo has such an amazing story. She was born with a very rare blood disorder called beta thalassemia, and her red blood cells only live about half as long as they should. And so since she was 5 years old, she's had to go to the hospital and get blood because her body doesn't produce enough. And she's now a retired nurse in the Valley, and she goes back to the very hospital where she worked for 24 years to get blood every 3 to 4 weeks.
Yeah, and we're seeing her receive an award and also give back to Vitalant still to this day, which is so important.
Oh, she shares her story to try to inspire people, and it's just so important. Maybe people don't realize that they know somebody who's really received blood transfusions or dependent upon it, but cancer patients, people with blood disorders, people with accidents, surgeries, all those patients need life-saving blood transfusions, and you never know when it's going to happen. You could wake up one morning and by the end of the day find out that you need a transfusion. It's happened in my own family 3 times.
Yeah. All right, now I'm going to turn to nice Brad and
Okay.
talk about how great the Vitalant facility is to come give blood. It's air conditioned. I get a little snack afterwards, but it's there, and you want people to start signing up, not just to stop there, but of course for the big blood drive coming up.
Absolutely. Well, first, Vitalant is Arizona's largest blood provider. We're nonprofit. We serve every hospital in Maricopa County and 90% statewide. We have 8 Valley Donor Centers and do daily blood drives. But because of the holiday week and the urgent need for blood donors, we've put together Arizona's largest blood drive this Sunday at the Tempe Center for the Arts. It's really easy to make an appointment. We're encouraging people to make an appointment at vitalant.org/saveaz. And on that page, there is a code. If you make an appointment and you enter in the code, you'll get a $20 Vitalant Rewards gift card in appreciation.
I like it. And it doesn't just stop this weekend. It continues on because we said this is really important time because kids are out of school. People might be on vacation visiting us or out of, coming in, getting ready. And we need to have those supplies like ready to go.
Absolutely. It's the blood on the shelves that saves lives. So if you wait until someone you know is in the hospital, that blood won't be there. It takes 24 to 48 hours to test and process blood. So give blood now so that it's already on the shelves for when your loved ones go to the hospital.
Okay, and then very quickly talk about that car they can win.
Absolutely. So Volkswagen has donated a brand new Taos that is going to be raffled off amongst a summer blood donor. What's really exciting about this weekend's Saving Arizona blood drive is that one of the 10 finalists for that car will be drawn just from Sunday's blood drive at the Tempe Center for the Arts. Donors will also earn a Suns Up, Sleeves Up t-shirt or tank. They get to pick which one they want and what size. So we're doing everything we can to make it fun and easy for people to give blood.
Ooh, I want to get one of those. That guy looks good.
Cool.
I want one of those shirts.
You can show off all your muscles.
Oh my goodness. All right. I also want to I got to mention, this is the lowest week of the summer for blood donations, and donors are urgently needed to help. Donate on Sunday, July 6th, as we said, at the Tempe Center for the Arts at Vitalant Save Arizona Blood Drive, Arizona's largest blood drive. And as you show up, we will appreciate it all by Vitalant giving you a gift out. That's right. You'll be able to get a $20 gift card and opportunity to win a new 2025 VW Taos S. So vitalant.org/saveaz or call the number on the screen right there, and they'll be happy to make sure. But that is great. Saving Arizona Blood Drive coming up. So thank you, Sue.
Thank you, Brad.
All right.